Good morning, guys. I am getting ready to pack for Disney World, and so I wanted to bring you along with me. I am going for a combined Disney World and Universal trip this week, and I'm trying to pack light so I have room to bring home souvenirs. So let's see how this goes. All right, so I am a big fan of packing cubes, so I'm hoping that will save me some space this week. So I'm gonna start with this large cube. My goal is to get all of my clothes in here for the week. So my first day, I'm at Disney. So I am taking some Disney friendly clothes here. This is just a lightweight tank top and one of my favorite things to take to Disney, a good pair of running shorts. These are great because they're lightweight, they're moisture wicking. If you go on any water rides, they dry quickly. Love these. The next thing I'm taking is a good athletic dress. This one's from Sweaty Betty. It's one of my favorites. It's super comfortable, has a nice waistband. This one does not have the undershorts, which I actually prefer for the theme parks because that way you don't have to worry about taking it all the way down if you need to use the restroom. I will wear slip shorts under this just because getting on and off the rides can be tricky, but I'm putting that in there. I will be at Universal for Mardi Gras this week, so I'm taking a little Mardi Gras shirt. My goal is probably to wear this over the top of that athletic dress. So that's another good reason for one without the undershorts. So I'm taking that. I'm going for my travel agent meeting this week. So I am taking my travel agency t-shirt. We're having our Fantastical Vacations annual meeting. We're being hosted by Universal this year, so we're all very excited for that. And then I'm taking a white athletic skirt to go with that. When you're looking for an athletic skirt for the park, one of the things that I always recommend you look for is one that has the little side pockets on the skirt. On the shorts underneath, that's great if you need to stash your phone somewhere, so I love those. And then Friday we'll be at Universal again, so I have this Harry Potter t-shirt I'm taking, and it's gonna be a little chilly. I'm going in February, and so it's gonna be a little cold this week. I think it's gonna be in the 60s on Friday. For me, that's a day that I wear jeans. I love these jeans from Cut. They're my favorite for the parks. I do also like Democracy jeans for the parks because they're stretchy, but these are currently my favorite. Just make sure you take a jean that you're gonna be comfortable in if you decide to wear jeans to the park. The other thing I would say about wearing jeans to the park is, you know, a lot of people don't want to do that, which I do. I do prefer joggers most of the time, but I don't mind a jean as long as I know I'm not going to be on a water ride that day. So that's kind of the deciding factor for me. The other thing I'm taking this week is just this really lightweight jacket. I don't need anything heavy, but I know in the evening I'll probably need something extra. So I'm going to take this one. This one's from Uniqlo. I've had it for a while. I don't know if they still have it, but any good athletic lightweight jacket is great for the parks and travels really well. So that's all my clothes for the week. They're in this packing cube. I already packed this one. This is my like socks, jammies, those kind of things for the week. So that's in here. I could probably fit them in here, but I also know I'm probably gonna buy a lot of souvenirs this week. So a little extra room in this cube just lets me know I'll have time, or I'll have room to bring like a new sweatshirt home. I'm gonna set that just here for now. I'm not quite sure where everything's going yet. I'm taking, wearing my Hokas to the airport today, and then I'm taking these two strap sandals. These are one of my favorites for the park. These are literally nothing fancy. I got these off Amazon for like 22 bucks, but they're just nice and springy, comfortable. I like them. Pro tip here, if you're going in the summer, don't take a black sandal. These get so hot. In the summer, if I go and I know it's gonna be really hot, I always take a white sandal. I also have these in white. So if you're going when it's gonna be hot, pick these up in white, not black. All right, AirPods, an absolute must for a flight. Charging cables, I will link this in the description down below. This is my favorite charging cable bag for when I'm going alone. As you can see, tons of little places to put your cords. I've got a lot of room here. This 3-in-1 charger is probably one of my favorite travel accessories of all time. This is a MagSafe charger. It charges my Apple Watch and it charges my AirPods all one little console, one cord, amazing. So I will also link that down below. And then laptop is a must. Those will go in this bag. So this is my travel backpack. Let me bring it over here where you can see it a little bit better. The back compartment here is nice and padded. I don't know if you can see that. So this is where my laptop goes, so it's nice and protected. So we will slide that in there. And then I also have room back here. So it's a nice big pocket. So I'm also gonna put my cable bag in here. That way I have easy access to both of those things. Zip that in. All right. You can see here now, if I lay this flat over, there's a lot of room in this bag. So I can probably get most of my clothes for the week in this bag. Just not quite sure how I want everything organized yet. So next up, I'm taking my passport. Always remember your ID when you're traveling. Sunglasses, an absolute must for Florida. I'm only taking one pair of mini ears this week. Kind of kills me, but I'm only gonna be at Disney a day and a half. So one pair of ears will do me well. I got these for Christmas. They are the partner statue ears. I absolutely love them. I'm so excited to get to wear them in the park. This is my battery bank that I'm taking. I'll take two. I'm taking two this week because I'm not just using my phone. I'll be using my vlogging camera as well. I like to use this to charge my vlogging camera. It plugs right into the wall. It's from Anker. I'll link it down below. You can use it to charge in your room, or you can use it as a battery bank on the go. So very convenient. All right, in this little bag, I have my vlogging camera. I use the DJI Pocket 2. I've had this one for a while. They do have a 3 out now. I like that the 3 has the screen on it that's a little bit bigger, but I have this one. It works great. Love this camera. It's so just compact, easy to carry, lightweight, love it. All right. So I will also be taking just a crossbody for this week. I like to have kind of a larger one when I know I'm going to be doing some vlogging because I need to fit more stuff in here. But I'm going by myself this week, so I don't need a full backpack for the purse. So this will be the bag I'm carrying for the week. In here I've got a poncho, another battery bank, absolutely amazing battery bank. This one's MagSafe. It clicks right to the back of my phone and I can just keep charging while I'm on the go. Magic band, just a couple basics in here, tissues, medicines, IDs, things like that. So that's all that in here. And then all that's left is my liquids, my makeup. I'm taking a few snacks this week to try to eat a little healthy while I'm there. We'll see how that goes. And then flat iron, and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna finish up putting all this stuff in the bag and get on the road. I forgot to say, this is a compression packing cube. So once you get it loaded, you can then zip it with this compression zipper. Good, that was right. All right, so we're gonna squeeze this in down here at the end. What else do we have here? Things that I might not need today, I'll just stick over here. Shut this and do the front of my bag now. This bag also has some great front pockets. If you look here, this little zipper pouch. I love to keep things here like my passport, AirPods, cannot travel without these.